Morning guys, hope you're keeping well. Well, the sun's out here today, so I think it'd be a really good day to crack on with the TVR. So we've got the clutch slave cylinder to fit and a new copper pipe, so let's get on with it. Okay guys, right out at the car. Nice sunny day today. Right, so we've been asked on social media, are we going to change the master cylinder as well? The simple answer to that is no. We've had a look at the master cylinder. You know, there's no leaks coming out of the tube on the inside. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I just don't see the point of spending that money on a new master cylinder when it's not needed, and it's fairly easy to replace. So if we need to do that at a later date, we'll do so. Obviously we'll put a nice clean flush of fluid through it, so that will help matters as well. Cool, that's a bit better. Right, we have a problem guys. I'm just looking to put the slave cylinder on, and why I didn't see it earlier, God knows, but I've just noticed this bracket's broken. So just here, you can see it, it's broken. I'm gonna have to get that welded back together. Damn. Okay, it's going to be a very quick video for today guys, that's about it. I'm afraid. Okay, we made some arrangements. The bracket's going off. It's going to be stripped back, welded, and then repainted, and then we'll get back to reinstalling it. Okay, take care guys, see you soon.